Have you ever wondered if Bitcoin could really reach a value of $1 million in the near future? This is a question that fascinates many investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Let's examine the logic behind these predictions and analyze the factors that could lead Bitcoin to this extraordinary valuation. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. To fully understand the dynamics of Bitcoin, we must first take a look at the current environment. Recently, Bitcoin has been subject to significant accumulation not only by individual investors, but also of financial institutions. A prime example is the global Bitcoin ETF tracker, which shows that 39 global funds now hold over 150,000 Bitcoin. This massive accumulation is leading many to believe that $1 million for Bitcoin is not just a remote possibility, but an imminent reality. Samson Moe, a cryptocurrency expert, shared his vision on how and when Bitcoin could reach this astronomical figure. Moe argues that the macroeconomic environment has undergone fundamental changes that favor the rise of Bitcoin's price. Recently, daily flows into Bitcoin ETFs in the US topped $1 billion, with institutions like Fidelity and BlackRock buying Bitcoin, driving the price higher. One of the main reasons behind this accumulation is the perception of Bitcoin as a hedge against economic and geopolitical uncertainty. Countries like Hong Kong are seeing record accumulation of Bitcoin through ETFs, demonstrating strong interest from Asian markets. Even prominent figures such as billionaire Mark Cuban argue that current conditions are ideal for an acceleration in the price of Bitcoin. Cuban recently discussed how Silicon Valley's support for former President Trump could be seen as a pro-Bitcoin strategy. While Trump's election would not directly impact the price of cryptocurrencies, it could make it easier for companies in the industry to operate thanks to expected changes to the SEC. Cuban has criticized the SEC for its hypocrisy, citing as an example the market for pink sheets, public stocks that are not listed on major stock exchanges and which offer no protection to investors. Returning to Bitcoin, Cuban argues that what will really affect the price will be macroeconomic conditions, such as lower taxes and tariffs that could increase inflation. Geopolitical uncertainty and the decline of the dollar as the world's reserve currency could create fertile ground for a Bitcoin bull run. If these conditions materialize, we could see Bitcoin become a globally secure currency, used by countries and individuals to protect their savings. This view is supported by the fact that Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million units, making it a finite asset with potentially global demand. Cuban pointed out that although Bitcoin does not have unlimited fractionation, the smallest unit called Satoshi allows for great flexibility in dividing value. In a context of economic uncertainty and inflation, Bitcoin could become the safe haven imagined by maximalists, a global currency that replaces all other fiat currencies. While this scenario may seem extreme, the current accumulation of Bitcoin by institutions and predictions from experts like Moe indicate that a significant price rise is a distinct possibility. In conclusion, the key message is that the macro environment has changed in a way that favors a rise in the price of Bitcoin. With the introduction of ETFs and the influx of capital into the cryptocurrency market, the price of Bitcoin could rise rapidly. Moe predicts Bitcoin could reach $1 million due to limited supply and growing demand. While not everyone agrees with these predictions, it is undeniable that Bitcoin is uniquely positioned to benefit from current economic conditions. The issue of diminishing returns is debated, with some believing that Bitcoin, once it reaches a critical size, will continue to grow exponentially. That said, thanks for following us up to this point. Don't waste your next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay up to date on the latest news from the crypto world and not miss out on a crypto adventure, hit that follow me button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.